Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Hyundai Accent headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full for an accurate reading. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Now, let's mark your target. On the wall, draw a horizontal line at the exact height you measured from the ground to the center of your headlights. Next, draw two vertical lines, one for each headlight, aligning with their centers. Finally, draw a second horizontal line exactly 2 inches below your first horizontal line. This lower line is your target cutoff point. With your marks in place, open the hood of your Hyundai Accent. You'll need to locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's usually one screw for vertical adjustment, often found on the top, and another for horizontal adjustment, typically on the side. If you're unsure, your owner's manual provides precise diagrams for their exact placement. Now for the adjustment. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to move the headlight beam up or down. Aim the top edge of the brightest part of the beam to meet that lower horizontal line you drew. Then, use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam on its respective vertical line. Repeat this for both headlights. Finally, take your car for a short drive on a dark road to confirm the adjustment is correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.